It is super crucial to understand that once you've solved the fulfillment, now it's all about being acquisition constrained. The fulfillment is no longer the bottleneck. Now front end is. You have to get your foot into acquiring attention in a leveraged way. You simply cannot just keep spending money on ads, keep doing a bunch of cold outreach. You have to figure out a way to do what? Create content that gets distributed to the people in your market without you having to spend a dime or time on effort, on outreach, on client acquisition, on ads. What this allows you to do is it allows you to give you back so much margins. It allows you to get clients without you burning your cash flow. The other thing too that's cool about fulfillment is that by removing yourself and standardizing the process around that you follow to get clients results, it also gives you back your margins, right? Especially if you do it with AI. But acquisition leverage, super important. Content, paid ads, cold outreach. That's how I order it. Content is most leveraged. Ads is next best leverage because you can amplify the content that worked well organically. The next thing is, if you can't do none of those two things, let's go to cold outreach. But maybe before you call people, cold email, automate DM outreach, automate or hire people to do it for you. Never do it yourself. And if you keep doing it yourself, you're going to be capped forever. I would even go to the degree of saying that you should remove yourself completely from acquisition. You should just be doing content. Someone should be running the outreach. Someone should be running the ads. It could be AI or it could be an employee. Closing deals should also be removed. You should be removed from it. The reason why that's important is because when you remove yourself, you allow so much more throughput to come into your front end. But if you're still stuck in the loop in one of these, then it's going to be constrained back to you. You don't have enough time in a day. You cannot be the CEO, the closer, the setter, the fulfillment person. You cannot be all of that. So you need leverage in these areas.